All right, guys, I am here with the big man, Chad Hoover. We're getting ready to launch at Sale Creek Campground in Sale Creek, Tennessee. Meeting up with Chad today, and we're gonna try to get on some fish. Eric is gonna be in the new 3 Waters kayak. I'll be in my Feel Free 13.5, and Chad's in the Bonafide
SS 127.
It's a beautiful day out here in Tennessee, so let's see what we can find. That's a really, really nice little fish. That thing hit the net rig so hard. My Tennessee Bassquatch right there.
So that guy right there is going for a jerk bait.
So this is what I enjoy about kayak fishing the most. I have the sun in my face, I have a very slight breeze coming from my left over here, and other than that, I get to hear all the birds chirping, I get to hear the squirrels, I get to hear all the animals around me. I can reach down and literally run my fingers through the water. And don't get me wrong, there is plenty of things to be said about being in a bass boat, feeling the wind in your hair, and you're still part of nature, but you're leaving a big carbon footprint. You have gas, oil, you have a prop in the water. There's all these things. You're disrupting the calmness of the water. Where in a kayak, it's almost like you're becoming part of the nature. You're moving along very quietly, you're moving along very carefully, and there's just something about being this close to the water and being able to feel every single time you catch a fish. You can feel the fight, you feel it pull your kayak, and it's incredible. It's just such a great feeling, and I am so privileged and honored to be able to get this feeling every time I'm on the water. That's the beauty.
Yeah, they started blowing up right here on this point, and I was like, I paddled over. He's like, "Did you see fish?" I'm like, "Hell yeah, they're blowing up everywhere. Look."
All right, guys, thanks for watching. We just hit the water with Chad Hoover from Kayak Bass and TV and Kayak Bass Fishing. It's a great time. It's always better to be on the water than it is to be at an office. So make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Watch some other videos. Check out Chad's channel too, which you'll see on the screen below. And make sure you guys get on the water and get some fish. I'll talk to you guys soon. And Chad, thank you again. Appreciate it as always.
See y'all next time. Well, y'all see him next time.
Yeah,
you know what I mean.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys had a great time enjoying this experience with me. And give this video a thumbs up. And in the comments below, I want you guys to post what you love about kayak fishing.